A Virginia state trooper attempted to pull over a reckless motorcyclist, but instead of stopping, the 18-year-old rider hit the throttle, leading officers on a high-speed chase through the streets. With nowhere to go, the suspect soon found himself trapped at a dead end.
This is the intersection. What are the speeds?
25 right now. It is a North Carolina license plate. 2 as in number fast, common spelling. 4 is in number, U is in uniform, 2 riders.
10-4.
Made a right onto Bonnie.
Right on Bonnie.
Approaching South Witchduck. Appears we're going to be making a right onto South Witchduck.
Making right on South Witchduck.
As Silva pushed the bike to its limits, more officers joined the pursuit, closing in as the chase stretched for miles. But when he ran out of road at a dead end, there was nowhere left to run.
10-4. 10-4, through the fitness on Virginia Beach. How's traffic and speed?
Moderate traffic speeds right now, about 60.
10-4.
Straight through Constitution, still on Virginia Boulevard.
There's Constitution, still on Virginia Beach.
1826 Chesapeake, mark me on duty, and I am in the lead on this pursuit. It's going to be a white male rider, black helmet, white shirt.
10-4.
Made a right onto Fur Avenue, attempted to box him in.
10-4.
Only stop, gotta stop. Get off the bike! Get off the bike! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Straight out! Straight out, arms by your side! Sit on the hood of my car.
White males in custody, no damage to state property.
So, you got an ID on you? Because we do need to ID you. And if you don't, you can go down to jail for that.
Back pocket.
Back pocket?
Back pocket.
No need for an attitude, man. Y'all just ran from us. I don't know why you're giving me an attitude.
I'm not giving you an attitude. I was trying to make sure you knew which pocket.
Absolutely an attitude there, boss.
I was just saying that pocket. I ain't got nothing else on me.
With no escape left, officers moved in for a felony takedown, taking the suspect into custody. Now facing multiple charges, his reckless ride ended not with freedom, but with a trip straight to lockup. A motorcycle rider blasting down the highway at over 140 miles per hour caught the attention of state troopers, but instead of pulling over, he twisted the throttle and turned the road into his personal racetrack. Weaving between semis, passing on the shoulder, and nearly losing control, he pushed his luck to the absolute limit.
One 132, we're 1037, down to 124.
Adam 4 is directed. Who was that 1037?
89 and 132.
Alright, 89, you got it if you're not trying to.
Go around for passing the 124, back on the interstate, he's on the shoulder, speed east about, full of water.
But luck ran out fast. After a desperate final maneuver, he crashed into a concrete barrier and a patrol car before making one last attempt to escape on foot. Officers quickly took him down, discovering a hidden firearm on his bike. Now, instead of an open road, he's facing a long road of felony charges. What started as a routine traffic stop quickly took a turn no one expected. Officers had the suspect pulled over, seemingly bringing the situation under control. But within moments, everything escalated into a wild pursuit across Highway 50.
Maneuver. Hold traffic.
TVI successful. Hands! Get your hands up! Hands up! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! You got him?
Exit the car! Hands up!
Got me? Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle!
On the ground!
What's going on? I got you. Dude,
Get out on the ground.
hands behind your back.
I didn't do
Back.
what's going on.
Sit in the car. Take your shoe. First, take your shoes off.
Anybody right now? I don't know what the
Take your
fuck's
shoes
going
off. Lift up. Okay.
on. What's going on?
As troopers worked to secure the scene, the suspect pulled off the unthinkable, stealing a Colorado State Patrol vehicle and speeding off, now with officers chasing one of their own cruisers.
Sheriff 210-4, I copy. Serial number, returning Clearboat, no record.
A mile behind him. Find out where stop 6 are at. 393. Coming up on stop sticks. He missed him. Continuing eastbound.
Copy 11-4.
Am I taking this? Is that what you said? You want me to take this? Okay. Switch, Candy. I don't have vehicles. Where's the keys? Good ahead, good ahead. You got the keys in it? I don't have vehicles. You got the keys in it? Good sticks. We got to take it. You alright, sir? You alright? Yeah, just jarred me. Thank you, Stella.
The pursuit came to a violent end when stop sticks took out the stolen patrol car, sending it crashing into a semi-truck. The suspect was pulled from the wreckage and rushed to the hospital, but later succumbed to his injuries, bringing this unbelievable chase to a deadly conclusion. In Waterbury, Connecticut, officers spotted a stolen Honda Accord sitting in a parking lot, occupied and ready to run. The moment police moved in, the driver hit the gas, crashing into a cruiser and a brick wall in a desperate escape attempted.
Car! Stop the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
The driver was taken into custody with a fresh set of charges on top of an active warrant. His passenger was arrested without a fight, and a search of the car revealed drug paraphernalia. Another stolen vehicle recovered, another failed getaway. What started as a simple car break-in turned into an all-out police pursuit through Atlanta. Armed suspects hit the gas, weaving through traffic and tossing guns out the window in a desperate bid to escape.
Pit, 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 pit.
Send it, Jazz, I got it. Send it.
Send it, Jazz, I got it. Send it. Second pit. Stand by, box in. They're throwing guns out. Box them. Watch out, Jazz.
GSP got the dog.
Come on now with your hands up.
I got less.
Okay, don't reach for anything. Keep your hands up. Okay?
Hey, responding units.
Come on.
I need y'all to go to that.
5 suspects in cuffs, multiple guns recovered, including a stolen one, and fresh felony charges added to the list. Another wild attempt to outrun the law ended exactly where it always does, in handcuffs.
21, where y'all live?
After a shooting, an armed suspect led police on a high-speed chase, refusing to stop. Officers attempted multiple tactical vehicle interventions, sending cars airborne as the pursuit crossed state lines. After crashing, the suspect was arrested, his gun recovered, and his escape cut short with a stack of felony charges.
TVI. He's still rolling.
TBI still rolling.
We're going to follow us over to Memphis. He's still rolling behind me. We're catching the track.
10-4.
Boys, he live Memphis. Yeah,
10-4.
21-4, see my car's safe.
10-9.
Our unit is disabled. He is continuing over to Memphis. Second TVI, unsuccessful.
8569 Tom George.
A Dodge Charger flying down the highway caught an officer's attention, but what should have been a quick stop turned into a full-throttle escape. Flooring it to 140 miles per hour, the driver dodged traffic, desperate to outrun the law. But officers had other plans.
10-4.
Okay, I'm out down there with 31.
10-4.
Final stop location. We're just over the top of the MLK overpass. Eastbound.
329.
Trooper Evans, Arkansas State Police, resume out with you for your speed. Got you at 83 miles per hour when you're coming at me. Have your license, registration, proof of insurance? Okay. How much marijuana do you have in the vehicle? Okay. Go ahead and turn your car off for me. Step back here to my car. Took off.
29.
Secondary, passing through 82.
TBI.
You fucking move! You're gonna get shot! Do you understand? You fucking move! You get shot! Get on the fucking ground! Put your hands on the back!
I'm on the ground. I'm on the ground.
the ground.
I got it.
Better fucking stay there. How about that?
It's unlocked. Right. There's a weed he tried to throw.
Yeah, I know. That's all.
Good job. Put his chest on hood.
A high-speed takedown sent the Charger spinning, and despite his last-ditch effort to break free, it was game over. With drugs, a damaged patrol car, and a stack of felony charges, his need for speed just landed him straight behind bars.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below which clip you liked the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.